Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna to explain how to find wholesale deals on Zillow. We will look at how to find wholesale deals on Zillow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find wholesale deals on Zillow. So basically, what you'll have to do is simply open the app, and then you'll have to zoom in a little bit and look at the prices and the details of these different houses. So as you can see, I found this one here. So as you can see, this one here is listed for 710k like this. And as you can see, you can look at the square feet, and then you have this one here in the same neighborhood, like a few, as you can see, it's very, very close to each other. But as you can see, this one here is priced a little bit higher. And basically, what you can do is look at the description, and you can look up at the square feet and the details, and basically this is how you can find wholesale deals. So you'll have to zoom in a little bit and look on the map, and you can find different properties. Basically this is how you can do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.